for today I'll be teaching you how to find the measures of variability of group data, the range, the variance, and the standard deviation. This frequency table shows the test scores in the final examination of first-year BSED students in mathematics. You are asked to find the range, variance, and standard deviation. Let's have first the range. The range of a frequency distribution is simply the difference between the upper class boundary of the highest interval and the lower class boundary of the lowest interval. In the given example, first you have to get the upper class limit of the highest interval, which is 50. Then get the upper class boundary of the highest interval. So mag-add lang tayo ng 0.5. So 50 plus 0.5 is equal to 50.5. Next, you will get the lower class limit of the lowest interval, which is 21. After that, you will get the lower class boundary of the lowest interval, which is 21 minus 0.5. So dito, minus 0.5 siya pag lower class boundary. So it's equal to 20.5. Then to find the range, just get the upper class boundary of the highest interval minus the lower class boundary of the lowest interval, which is 50.5 minus 20.5, which is equal to 30. So the range is 30. Now let's get the variance. In computing for the variance of group data, the following formula is used. Sigma squared, you can also use S squared. It's equal to the summation of F times the square of the quantity X minus X bar all over the summation of F minus 1, where F is the class frequency, X is the class mark, X bar is the class mean, and the summation of F is the total number of frequency. Let's have an example. First, you have to get the interval. Subtract nyo lang yung dalawang magkasunod na lower limits, which are 26 and 21. 26 minus 21 is equal to 5. Then get the summation of F, which is equal to, add nyo lang lahat, it's equal to 50. Then get the class mark, yung nasa gitna, nung 21 up to 25. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 is 23. Add 5, the interval, it's 28, plus 5, 33, plus 5, 38, plus 5, 43, plus 5, 48. Then get fx, which is the product of f and x, that's 1 times 48, which is equal to 48. 10 times 43 is 430. 10 times 38 is 380. 16 by 33 is 528. 9 by 28 is 252. And 4 times 23 is 92. Then get the summation of fx, which is equal to 1,730. Add nyo lang lahat. Now let's get the mean, which is equal to the summation of fx all over summation of f, which is equal to 1,730 divided by 50. You will get 34.60 or 34.6. Next, let's get the difference of the class mark and the class mean. Subtract natin yung 48 and the 34.60. You will get 13.4. 43 minus 34.60 is 8.4. 38 minus 34.60, which is equal to 3.4. 33 minus 34.6 is negative 1.6. Mas konti na yung class mark. Nag-negative na siya. 28 minus 34.60 is negative 6.6. 23 minus 34.6 is negative 11.6. Next, we will get the square of the quantity x minus x bar, which is equal to 13.4 times 13.4. You will get 179.56. 8.4 times 8.4 is equal to 70.56. The next one is 11.56. The next one is 2.56. Next is 43.56. And the last one is 134.56. For the last column, we will get the product of f times the square of the quantity x minus x bar. So, multiply natin yung 1 by 179.56. We will get 179.56. 10 times 70.56 is equal to 705.6. 10 by 11.56 is 111.6. 16 times 2.56 is equal to 40.96. 9 times 43.56 is 392.04, and 4 times 134.56 is equal to 538.24. Then add nyo lang lahat, you will get 1,972. Now let's apply the formula. Sigma squared is equal to the summation of f times the square of the quantity x minus x bar. That is equal to 1,972. The summation of f is 50 minus 1. So, constant yung minus 1. So, it's equal to 1,972 all over 49, which is equal to 40.24. So, the variance is 40.24. Now, let's get the standard deviation. For the value of the standard deviation, S, just simply get the square root of the variance sigma squared. So, para makuha mo yung S, i-square root mo lang yung value ng variance. So, S is equal to the square root of the sigma squared. So, S is equal to the square root of 40.24, yung nakuha nating variance kanina, which is approximately 6.34. Sabi ko approximately kasi nag-round off na tayo. Always round off your final answer to 2 decimal places. So our standard deviation is 6.34. That's the end of my lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this to your friends. Bye!